Welcome to Wake Up with Rhinebeck Bank, your favorite bank. I am here with Dr. Erin Prunty from Taconic Dental. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I have to ask, you have an incredible smile.
Thank you.
And I know that plays a little bit into your story of how you became a dentist. Can you share that with us?
Yeah, so I had an underbite growing up, so my lower jaw was out further than my upper jaw. So on top of having braces, I also had to have surgery when I was 16 in order to correct that. And you know, it was a really big experience for me, and just the people that took care of me were so wonderful, and I was so happy that it made me, when I was in college, start to think about a career in dentistry.
Wow, that's very interesting, amazing, and look how good it turned out.
Yes, thank you.
Now, Taconic Dental, how long have you been here?
I've been open for 5.5 years.
Wow.
So we actually did a startup, so we had 0 patients on day one.
Wow.
Which was a little nerve-wracking. And now it's grown, and it's just bigger than I ever thought possible.
I'll tell you, it's a beautiful facility, and you have a great reputation in the area. We're so excited to have you here and to talk about the business. What services do you provide to your patients?
We're a general dental office, so people come here for their cleanings, their exams, and then we would write a treatment plan for the patient. Sometimes we refer out to specialists. I think that you should have a root canal done with somebody that just does root canals all day long. They do a better job. So we refer out things that need to be referred out, and just take care of your general dental needs.
Fantastic, wonderful. Can you tell us how you handle working with people who are afraid of the dentist? I know that's a big topic, and even adults, not just kids, right?
Yes. More adults than kids.
More adults, right?
Yeah. I guess I just got used to it over the years, but it's having people who are afraid is the best thing in my experience.
Really?
Because if you just take the time to understand where their fears are coming from, you can get them where they're comfortable here. And like, that's the best thing, is somebody who comes in who used to be afraid of the dentist, and now they start coming to me and they're not afraid to come to the dentist anymore. It's a really satisfying feeling.
So awesome. You almost have to hold their hand through the whole process,
exactly,
right?
yes.
And it's just making them feel comfortable.
Yep.
I know. We deal with that sometimes with finances too.
Oh,
it's
I'm
not just
sure.
the dentist.
Yep.
Tell us about some of the new technologies in today's dentistry. I know it's changed vastly over the last 10 years.
Yes, so we have all digital x-rays, which is great because it has lower radiation. Wow. So a lot of people are concerned about, how much radiation they have. The digital technology, it's almost none. It's really not a concern at this point. We also have some tools that are radiation-free imaging that we can see in between the teeth, and different things to diagnose. And then the newest thing we have is an intraoral scanner. So if anybody remembers taking impressions when they were a kid going through, we don't do that.
Or an adult,
yeah.
They stink.
We don't do that anymore. So we have a 3D scanner, so it scans the teeth and does the same thing an impression does, with a lot less goop.
That's so amazing, and so much more comfortable, I'm sure.
The patients are really receptive to it.
That's incredible. So tell me about your experience with Rhinebeck Bank.
So Rhinebeck Bank, when I was early in my business here, they helped me refinance my loan when other banks wouldn't. And it really meant a lot to me that they were able to look at me and my business as a whole, and not just the numbers that were on the page. That was the difference.
Thank you. We really do pride ourselves on helping small businesses. And I'm so thankful that you've grown so large, and hopefully here to continue to see you prosper.
Yes, thank you.
Tell us how people can find out more about Taconic Dental.
Our website is taconicdental.com. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. And of course, we're located on Route 82 in Hopewell Junction, right next to the Taconic.
All right, so book your next cleaning. Come to the dentist, it's important.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us this week on Wake Up with Rhinebeck Bank. We'll see you in 2 weeks, Monday morning, right here on wakeuprhinebeck.com or our Facebook page. Bye.